Hello. What are the benefits of strength training or weight training for both men and women? Are they the same or are they different? And if they are different, how much different? Well, in today's video, we're going to discuss this. First, we're going to start with the women. So, weight training offers numerous benefits for women, including increased muscle mass, bone density, and improved metabolism, leading to better overall health and fitness. It also contributes to reduced body fat, enhanced energy levels, and improved sleep quality. Increased bone density. As women age, especially after menopause, bone density naturally decreases, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Weight training, by applying controlled stress to the bones, helps maintain and even increases bone density. Muscle mass and strength. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for mobility, strength, and overall health, especially as we age. Weight training helps increase and maintain muscle mass, improving strength and functional ability. Weight management. Weight training can support weight loss by increasing muscle mass, which helps the body burn more calories even at rest. Improved metabolism. Strength training can boost metabolism, making it easier to manage weight and burn fat. Better sleep. Studies show that weight training can lead to improved sleep quality, with participants experiencing more restful sleep. Enhanced energy levels. Weight training can increase energy levels by boosting mood and releasing endorphins. Stronger bones and joints. Weight training strengthens bones and supports joints, reducing risk of injury and improving mobility. Reduce a risk of chronic diseases. Weight training can help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. It improves mental well-being. Strength training can have a positive impact on mental health, boosting self-confidence and reducing stress levels. Increased longevity. Studies suggest that women who engage in strength training may have a longer lifespan and a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Improve cardiovascular health. Building muscle mass can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, the good cholesterol. It can lower your blood pressure and improve blood sugar control, all factors contributing to better heart health. And for the women that are concerned with starting weight training and getting big, bulky muscles, it's very difficult for women to build the big, bulky muscles. You have to work extremely hard in order to do that as a woman. You can either take supplements such as testosterone or steroids to do that, but you still have to work very hard and extreme in order to get to that level of having the big, bulky muscles. It has to be intentional. And that has to be your goal in order to get there. Women will typically firm up and tone up. You'll make your muscles more firm and dense and shapely. So like it'll give you more shapely legs, flatten your stomach, but it's not going to give you the big bulky muscles. So don't worry about that. Now, the benefits of weight training for men. Weight training offers numerous benefits for men, impacting physical and mental well-being, including increased strength, muscle mass, improved cardiovascular health, enhanced bone density, boosted metabolism, reduced injury risk, and positive effects on mental health and sleep. Increased strength and muscle mass. Weight training directly increases muscle mass, leading to improved strength and power. Improved cardiovascular health, just like in the women. Building muscle mass can help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increase the good cholesterol, HDL. It can also lower your blood pressure, improve your blood sugar control, leading all to better heart health. Enhance bone density. Strength training helps maintain and increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis in men also. Can boost your metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, leading to increased metabolism and making it easier to manage weight. Reduced injury risk. Strengthen key muscles like those in the core and glutes can help stabilize joints and protect against injury, especially in areas like the lower back. Improve physical performance. Increased strength and power translate to better performance in various physical activities, from sports to daily tasks. Your mental and emotional health. Improve mental health. Weight training can help reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress, and improved overall mood. Enhance sleep quality. Regular exercise, including weight training, can improve sleep patterns and lead to better sleep quality. Increase confidence. Building muscle and seeing physical improvements can boost self-esteem and confidence. Positive mindset. Weight training can lead to a more positive mindset and improve mental resilience. And some other benefits. And this is also some other benefits for women too. These cross. Improve brain health. Studies suggest that weight training can improve cognitive function, including memory and processing speed, especially as we age. Now this is just for the men. Potential of testosterone boost. While the exact impact can vary, weight training is known to have a positive effect on testosterone levels in men. Now, I just said, it varies. So one of the studies that I did research on stated that it affected up to 10% testosterone level in some of the participants in the study. But if you do need testosterone replacement therapy, I would go see a doctor, get your blood work done. Same thing for the women. I would get your blood work done to see if you need estrogen therapy. That's very important. I'm going to make a video about hormone therapy later on. Also for the men and women, functional strength. The strength training can improve functional strength, making everyday activities like just bending, reaching, squatting easier and more efficient. So that's pretty much it. There's a ton of benefits in this. It will prevent you from losing muscle mass. So when you get older, you're able to still walk around and not get very feeble. You need to maintain that mobility and activity level. So I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about just doing some weight training. And if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. I'll read them, see if I can answer them. If not, I'll point you in the right direction to get the answer. So thank you for watching. And if you could, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.